In this generation, there will be coming. In this generation, there will be hope. In this generation, there will be change. Our chosen generation.
My name is Micah McGee, and I am chosen.
My name is Malik Rodriguez, and I am chosen.
My name is Joshua Callahan, and I am chosen.
Hi, my name is Malachi Flanoy, and I am chosen.
I'm Jehovah Anthony, and I am chosen. I'm Selena James, and I am chosen.
My name is Serenity McGee, and I am chosen.
I am Marissa Ciego, and I am chosen.
My name is Shanika Campbell, and I am chosen.
I am Herbert, and I am chosen.
My name is Tiara, and I'm chosen.
My name is Tanaisha McGriff, and I'm chosen.
To shine my light through dance, to be a salt unto the earth and give it flavor.
To speak the word and minister to young children of this generation.
To make people believe.
Through my drawing and art and dancing.